Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 11. The Tortoise and the Bird. Once a tortoise was resting under a tree when he looked above him to find a bird's nest perched on the tree. Observing the nest, he began mocking the bird for its shabby, weak nest made of twigs and sticks. The tortoise boasted that his shell was much stronger and better. But the bird was not bothered. My nest may be shabby and weak, but I built it myself, chirped the bird. But the tortoise continued to gloat about his shell. My nest may be small, but it can hold my entire family. But your shell is lonely, because it only holds you, chirped the bird, tired of the tortoise's boasting. The tortoise realized this was true and now felt ashamed of bothering the bird. The bird's home may be small, but it was full, unlike his big shell. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.